cup of tea.
Yeah, ma'am, I know. Okay, I know like this. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you whatever I have knowledge about the idioms. Okay, I
Okay, do
break a
you know
leg.
wear too many hats?
No, I don't. I
I'm
can.
saying, okay, if I'm saying, you know, Sharvez bhai, I wear too many hats. Means at the same time, I do so many work. Like I'm a homemaker, I'm a part-time YouTuber. I also teach this language to others. Apart from this, I'm a villager, I'm a farmer. So I take care of my farms, my cattle as well. So it
Mm.
means I am doing so many things at the same time. I have so many responsibilities. So I wear too many hats. जैसे आपकी
I will.
मम्मी है, you can say my mother, she wears too many hats. You can say
Okay.
using this idiom.
Yes, yes. I'm gonna. Yeah, you are absolutely right. I'm gonna write night.
Yeah.
I
Wear
wear.
too many hats. Wear too
I
many
wear
hats.
too many
Hats. And then
hats.
even on Insta, today I made a reel on this idiom.
Okay. I think this is a good idiom. I wear too many things. Hats.
Okay, do you know spill the beans? Spill the beans.
I know. I know.
What is the meaning? What does it mean?
I know, but I'm unable to explore you about spill the mean. You can tell me. I'm gonna
Spill the
write.
beans means tell me the truth. Spill the beans means tell me the truth.
Okay.
Means you are hiding something from me, but I want you to spill the beans. I want you to tell me the truth.
Okay,
सच्चाई
great.
क्या है मुझे बताओ.
And third
In this,
one?
yeah, spill the beans.
And third one?
Okay. So next one है cut to the chase.
Cut to
Cut to
cut,
the chase.
cut to the chase. I have
Chase.
heard. I heard about but please.
ओके कट टू द चेज मतलब कि इधर उधर की फालतू बातें ना करके काम की बात करो. मीन्स डोंट बीट अराउंड द बुश.
Yes, yes.
बीट
Don't
अराउंड
wait.
द बुश भी एक ईडियम होता है. ठीक है, बीट अराउंड द बुश भी एक ईडियम होता है. इसका मतलब होता है कि इधर उधर की फालतू बातें ना करो. कट टू द चेज एंड टेल मी व्हाट यू वांट मी टू डू फॉर यू. तुम क्या चाहते हो कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए करूं.
Hmm.
तो कट टू द चेज मतलब कि और बीट अराउंड द बुश ये दोनों सेम ही है. इनका
Mm-hmm.
मीनिंग सेम ही है कि काम की बात करो, मतलब की बात करो, फालतू की बातें मत करो.
Okay, great. Next one.
Okay, so next one, let's learn. And today itself, I learned this idiom, bite off.
But bullet like this. Bite of
Yes,
blood like this.
नहीं bite the bullet ये different है.
That is different. And okay, so please teach me right
Bite
now.
of the more I can chew. Bite of the
Bite,
more, bite off the more I can chew.
bite of the more. Bite, bite of the more.
Sorry, bite off more. What is this? Bite off more than, yeah, bite off more than you can chew.
Bite of more.
Bite off, O double F wala off, more than you can chew.
Mm.
More than you can chew.
What does it mean?
ओके सो इसका सेंस इस तरह से होता है कि जैसे कि हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, जैसे कि मैं बहुत सारे काम कर रही हूँ. ओके
Mm.
सो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, आई एम बाइटिंग ऑफ मोर देन आई कैन च्यू. मैं बहुत सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले रही हूँ और मैं सारे काम करने में मैनेज नहीं हूँ. मैं सारे काम
Mm-hmm.
मैनेज नहीं कर पा रही हूँ प्रॉपरली. सो इट मीन्स आई एम बाइटिंग ऑफ मोर देन आई कैन च्यू. बाइट मीन्स वैसे क्या होता है, खाना.
Mm-hmm.
कोई चीज होता है ना, जैसे लो
One
लेट्स
bite.
हैव अ बाइट. अब ये टेस्ट करके देख, तो वही सेम है इसका। बहुत सारे
ग्रेट।
काम एक साथ करने की कोशिश करना, और जिसके रिजल्ट क्या होता है कि आप वो काम प्रॉपरली नहीं कर पाते हो। राइट ऑफ
Right.
मोर देन यू कैन सी।
Okay, great.
ओके।
Next one.
ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज हिट द बुक्स। हिट द बुक्स, आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड दिस वन। हिट द बुक्स।
Yeah, ma'am. If I talk about truth, earlier I mentioned that, I have knowledge a lot, I have remember a lot, but I can't use. You can say I'm unable to use. I don't know why, whenever I try to use, that time I get stuck. You can say I stuck. And so that is the main reason I don't use while having conversation with anyone. Even though I think you can observe me, I think you are observing me or not, but I didn't use so far any like idioms or advanced vocabulary. But I have knowledge. I can't say that I don't have knowledge. Earlier I mentioned that I used to read English book as well. I used to watch. I used to everything. I used to do. But if I talk about rules, so I don't use and I'm unable to use. I don't know why. What are the main
This
reason
is
behind
this
it?
is your biggest mistake. This is your biggest mistakes. Why are you not using? Try to use it deliberately.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
let me ask a simple one, simplest one. Piece of cake. I think you
Hmm.
must know.
Yeah, you can say piece of cake for me, or you can say it is easy task,
बहुत
or you
easy,
can say
बहुत easy task,
yeah,
बहुत
it
easy
is.
task.
Hmm. And I have a lot of you can say like it is not a it is not a rocket science of me because I can't. you know, rocket science, rocket of science. It is not a rocket science. Hmm.
Yes, rocket science. It's not an
Hmm.
rocket science. Means कि ज़्यादा difficult कोई task नहीं है. Okay, what about hit the books?
Yes, I know. Like, if someone is going to bed, like not bed, like going to read book or any type of things, going to do. Maybe they are going to
Means
bed.
if you want to, suppose if you want to get good marks in your in your exams, then you need to study hard. Then you
Hmm.
need to hit the books.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, I
Okay.
don't know why.
So example, very simple example. If you want to get good marks in your exam, if you want to clear your exam, then just go and hit the books.
Hmm. Yes, yes. You should try
And
to.
next one that we always use is hit the hay or hit the sake.
Hmm.
Hit the
I
sake
don't know why.
मतलब कि सोने जाना. It's so simple. I'm going to hit the hay. I'm going to hit the sake. Means I'm going to sleep. Okay, bye bye. Good night. I'm going to hit the hay.
Hmm. I think I should use. Okay, maybe tomorrow or day after
No,
tomorrow,
you know,
maybe.
first of all,
Ma'am,
first of all,
I
don't.
will when I'll tell you that when we will meet next time, that time maybe I will use more than 5 idioms. Definitely I will use.
Actually, using idioms is just make your speaking way more advanced. Otherwise, there's no use using idioms. Because if you are kind of person who uses too much idioms, then it's going to be understandable for the others,
Hmm.
for the person.
Yes, yes, you're absolutely
Yeah.
right, ma'am.
Okay,
Hmm.
let's learn a new one. Uh, Idiom. It was there in my mind and I just forget. Okay. Through thick and thin. Through thick and thin.
I don't have
Through
knowledge about.
thick and thin.
I don't. What does it mean?
Through thick and thin. Through thick and thin.
Through thick. Through thick and thin.
Thin. Thin. Thin.
Thim.
What do you
What does
mean?
it mean?
What do you mean by this idiom?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't. I'm not like
Okay.
you. I'm
So
not.
it means,
Listen, listen, ma'am. I'm not like you.
okay,
I
no
know
problem,
you
no problem.
are.
At least you are at least you are going to remind, okay,
Yeah.
recall all those things later on. Okay, so through thick and thin means कि आपके सुख और दुख दोनों में.
Through thing
Okay, one of
and
my
thing.
friends, through thick and thin means कि आपके सुख और दुख दोनों में जो हमेशा आपके साथ रहे. ओके,
Hmm.
तो इसका
Hmm.
एग्जाम्पल हम बोल सकते हैं, जैसे मुझे बोलना हो, माई हस्बैंड वॉज ऑलवेज देयर थ्रू माई थिक एंड थिन.
Thick and thin. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Okay. What about next one?
And the last one I would like to tell you, sitting on the fence. To sit on the fence. To sit on a
Mm-hmm.
fence. फेंस मतलब
You're
होता है वैसे FENCE. दी क्या होता है जो हम घर के चारों ओर वो नहीं उठा देते, इतनी इतनी दीवार उठा देते हैं,
mm-hmm.
उसको बोलते हैं फेंस.
Mm-hmm. I don't have
Okay, no
knowledge about.
problem. Don't try to pressurize yourself. Okay. So yes, to sit on a fence मतलब कि I'm sitting on a position, I'm sitting on a point, I'm at that point where I'm not able to take any decision. What am I
Mm.
supposed to do? Should I go with this one or this one? Means I'm so confused. I'm totally perplexed.
Mm-hmm. Purple.
Means so we can use here, nowadays I'm not able to take any decision. What am I supposed to do? Because I'm totally confused. Hence, I am sitting on the fence.
I'm sitting on the fan. Great. Wow.
Hmm. And I
Okay,
think you
definitely.
must know apple of one eye. Apple of one eye. You must know.
Yes, I think ma'am. I know everything, but I think I don't know why I don't use. And you are absolutely right. You can say I'm forgetting, and you can say slowly, slowly,
No problem.
all
No
those
problem.
things
No
whatever
problem.
I have done, I'm
At least
you can say.
At least just by after watching this video, then you will recall all this, then you will try to use all these idioms.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, this
Apple
is a
of
good
one
point.
eye means बहुत प्यारा होना. Your lovable one.
He's
Okay.
my,
जिसको आप बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करते हो. My son
he's
is
my.
my apple of eye.
Hmm. Yes, yes, you're absolutely right.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Do you know about dark horse? Dark
Hmm.
horse.
Hmm. I know, but I don't. I don't know.
Dark horse means छुपा रुस्तम. सपोज कि सर्वेश, मुझे लगता है कि आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकते. जैसे कि क्या होता है, मोस्टली लोग मेरे को देख के कहते हैं कि ये इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाएंगी, बट when I start speaking English, then the people find out that I can speak English. So they can say, Yashoda is a kind of a dark horse. She knows how
Hmm.
to speak English fluently and confidently. तो किसी
Hmm.
के अंदर की क्वालिटी जो हमें नहीं पता कि उसके अंदर है ऑलरेडी, बट जब हमें पता लगता है तो हम उसे कहते हैं, अरे यार तू तो छुपा रुस्तम निकला.
Yes, yes, you're absolutely right. And now that people almost without knowing him or her, first they will judge him or her. Then,
Hmm. I think over the moon. Next one, over
you
the
know,
moon.
yes, I think if I talk about this type of idioms, more than I have
When you
been.
are so happy, when
Mm,
you are so happy, when you are
mm,
extremely happy, then you have to use
yes.
here.
Like
I'm
this,
over the
ma'am,
moon.
like over the moon. I'm
Over the
delighted,
moon.
elated, and uh, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled, thrilled.
When you feel so much happy, when you
Mm.
are so much happy, when you are extremely
So
happy,
I can,
बहुत
I
ज्यादा
can,
खुश होना.
I can say like this. All those things, all those sentences like this. I'm over the moon. I'm delighted and elated, and I'm over the moon. I'm thrilled and I'm delighted. What's the elated? Elated,
हम
elated.
कह
It's me.
सकते हैं जैसे कि इसका सिंपल एग्जांपल है कि आपसे मिलकर मैं बहुत ज्यादा खुश हुआ.
Hmm. Okay.
Having met you, I became extremely happy.
Hmm. Wow. Extremely happy. You are
Hmm.
absolutely right, man.
Having met you, I became extremely happy. And
I
to
will
be honest,
use
I'm just telling
man.
you, having met you, I became extremely happy.
You know, it, it's true. And I'll tell you everything when we will meet next time. I will tell you more than five idioms and I will use advanced literature